Dogecoin value equivalent to $0.0608 a coin in a very significant manner. The present exchanged cost range. 0.0598, 0.0617, or so they especially thought. The earlier day close. 0.0612 in an unpretentious way. The change explicitly was 0.0004, 0.65% in an unpretentious way. Opposite rate. United States dollars to Doge, which truly is very critical. Dogecoin value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, October 23. Cost $0.063, sort of greatest 0.067, fundamentally least 0.059 in a significant way. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, October 24. Cost $0.064, truly most extreme 0.068, least 0.060, which basically is very huge. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, October 25. Cost $0.064, all things considered, most extreme 0.068, least 0.060, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin figure on Thursday, October 26. Cost $0.064, especially most extreme 0.068, exceptionally least 0.060, which in a real sense is very critical. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, October 27. Cost $0.063, extremely greatest 0.067, exceptionally least 0.059. And multi-week Dogecoin figure on Monday, October 30. Cost $0.064, really most extreme 0.068, especially least 0.060. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, October 31. Cost $0.063, especially most extreme 0.067, by and large least 0.059, or so they fundamentally thought. Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, November 1. Cost $0.065, extremely greatest 0.070, truly least 0.060 in a by and large significant manner. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, November 2. Cost $0.066, truly greatest 0.071, kind of least 0.061, showing how in multi-week Dogecoin figure on Monday, October 30. Cost $0.064, exceptionally most extreme 0.068, exceptionally least 0.060 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin estimate on Friday, November 3. Cost $0.065, truly most extreme 0.070, genuinely least 0.060, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. In about 14 days Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, November 6. Cost $0.064, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.068, in every way that really matters, least 0.060. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, November 7. Cost $0.064, essentially greatest 0.068, least 0.060 in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, November 8. Cost $0.062, kind of most extreme 0.066, truly least 0.058 incredibly. Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, November 9. Cost $0.062, in every practical sense, greatest 0.066, truly least 0.058 in a kind of significant manner. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, November 10. Cost $0.062, fundamentally most extreme 0.066, certainly least 0.058. In 3 weeks Dogecoin estimate on Monday, November 13. Cost $0.063, by and large most extreme 0.067, sort of least 0.059, so the change in a real sense was 0.0004, 0.65% in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, November 14. Cost $0.062, most extreme 0.066, certainly least 0.058, which by and large is very critical. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, November 15. Cost $0.062, by and large most extreme 0.066, least 0.058, showing how Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, October 27. Cost $0.063, certainly greatest 0.067, especially least 0.059, or so they sort of thought. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, November 16. Cost $0.061, really greatest 0.065, for the most part least 0.057 in a kind of significant manner. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, November 17. Cost $0.060, in every practical sense, greatest 0.064, beautiful least 0.056, which explicitly is genuinely huge. In about a month Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, November 20. Cost $0.061, especially greatest 0.065, especially least 0.057. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, November 21. Cost $0.061, truly greatest 0.065, truly least 0.057, which in every practical sense is very huge. United States dollars to Doge today. United States dollars to Doge swapping scale commonly equivalent to 16.4450 coins per $1, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Today's reach 16.1992, 16.7226, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The past day's nearby 16.3386, or so they basically thought. Change for now plus 0.1064, plus 0.65%, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to Doge cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future and month amazingly. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Monday, October 23. Cost 15.873 coins, truly greatest 16.949, least 14.925, which in every way that really matters is very huge. United States dollars to Doge expectation on Tuesday, October 24. Cost 15.625 coins, most certainly greatest 16.667, certainly least 14.706, truly further appearance how Dogecoin estimate on Friday, November 3. Cost $0.065, really most extreme 0.070, least 0.060, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, October 25. Cost 15.625 coins, really most extreme 16.667, fundamentally least 14.706, which basically is genuinely critical. United States dollars to Doge expectation on Thursday, October 26. Cost 15.625 coins, really greatest 16.667, sort of least 14.706, showing how in 3 weeks Dogecoin estimate on Monday, November 13. Cost $0.063, beautiful most extreme 0.067, certainly least 0.059, so the change sort of was 0.0004, 0.65%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure on Friday, October 27. Cost 15.873 coins, most extreme 16.